Hello guys. Today I will discuss the topic nucleic acid. Guys, I have a request for you that if you have not um, subscribed my channel till, then please like and subscribe my channel. Uh, Start the video. Nucleic acid. Today it is a very interesting topic. Nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are actually acids of nucleus. Guys, nucleic acids are actually the acids of nucleus. It is obviously from the name the term nucleic acid means the acids of nucleus. These are some acids which are present in nucleus that we called nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are composed of backbone called nucleotide. Guys, nucleic acids are actually composed of backbone that are called nucleotide. Nucleotide are the backbone of nucleic acid. Just like for organic compound, carbon is the backbone of all the organic compound. That is, nucleic acid have the backbone called nucleotide. These nucleotides are joined in the form of polymer that is we called nucleic acids. These nucleotides are linked into two nucleotide, one nucleotide and polynucleotide. So this nucleotide is the backbone of nucleic acids, but these nucleotides joined in different way, linked in different way. If they are joined into two nucleotide, mean that if it contains two nucleotides are joined, then we call them dinucleotide. If one nucleotide, then we called mononucleotide. If they are joined in the form of polynucleotide, then these polynucleotide we call them actually the acids of nucleus nucleic acid. Polynucleotide are the acids of nucleus which is nucleic acids. Dinucleotide are not nucleic acid, mononucleotide are not nucleic acid, but the polynucleotide are nucleic acid. The dinucleotide, mononucleotide are not the acids. These are other substances that we discuss in next lectures. Nucleic acids are called polymer. Nucleic acids are why called polymer? Because they are composed of polynucleotides. That is why we called nucleic acids are polymer. There are two types of nucleic acids. Next we discuss the types of nucleic acids. There are two types of nucleic acids. That is number one, DNA deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the first type of nucleic acid that are present in DNA and nucleus, which is abbreviated as deoxyribonucleic acids. Next is RNA ribonucleic acids. This is the second type of nucleic acid. RNA are also the type of nucleic acid. Next we discuss the next point that what is nucleic acid. We will discuss the nucleic acid. We have discussed the nucleic acid. Next we discussed nucleotides. Nucleic acid in detail, DNA, RNA we will discuss in next lectures. But today we have only highlight the topic DNA and RNA. And next lectures we will discuss it in details. Next we discuss the backbone of nucleic acid, nucleotide. That what is nucleotide actually? Nucleotide is backbone of some organic compounds including nucleic acids. I have first discussed it that nucleotides are arranged and combined in different way and different numbers of and give us mononucleotide, dinucleotide and also polynucleotide. Nucleotides are not actually the backbone of not only the backbone of nucleic acid, but it is the backbone of other substances. It is composed of three components. Nucleotide have three components. First, pentose sugar. You know about pentose sugar as a ribose that have 5 carbon compound. Second component of nucleotide is nitrogenous base. These are nitrogen containing compound which we call nitrogenous base. This we discuss nitrogenous base in detail in the next lectures. Third component of nucleic acid is phosphoric acid, which is phosphate group. Third component is phosphate group, which is have the formula of H3PO4. This is the three components of nucleotide. Next is the structure of nucleotide. this is the backbone of nucleotide. The backbone of nucleotide, we have discussed that the backbone of nucleic acid is nucleotide, but the backbone of nucleotide is now phosphate ribose sugar or pentose sugar. This is the ribose sugar. It is an oxygen. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. This is the fifth carbon. This is the 5 carbon compound which we call the pentose sugar or ribose sugar. This is the nitrogenous base which is attached to the carbon number first. Nitrogenous base will always attached at the carbon number first of the pentose sugar. This is the necessary component that nitrogenous base will must attach at the carbon number 1, but the phosphoric group is attached at carbon number 5. Phosphoric group will must attach at carbon number 5. This is the carbon number 5. This is the phosphoric group which here is attached, and this is the phosphoric group. So this is the whole structure of nucleotide, which is labeled here. Nitrogenous group attached to carbon number first, and for ribose sugar, phosphate group is attached to carbon number 5 of pentose sugar. This nitrogenous base is nitrogenous base or nitrogenous compound have different types, which we will discuss in next lectures. This is the phosphoric group which is attached to carbon number 5. These two component are must necessary to have the position carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Carbon number 5. These are necessary compounds. This nucleic acid nucleotide combined in two numbers, mini numbers, and give rise to nucleic acid. If they are combined in the polyform, it means that if 1 2 3 4 5 6 they are combined in mini numbers, they will give rise to DNA, RNA, which is nucleic acid. If they are combined in two, it means that dinucleotide, they will give rise to other compound. If it is a mononucleotide, then it will be a component of any other organic compound. So this is all about the nucleic acid and nucleotide, which we discussed here. um, I know that you have enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share my video lectures to other your friends. Thank you for watching.